Hey everybody, just a couple of quick updates about the ranch since it's been a couple of weeks and a lot's been happening on the inside. First of all, you can see that we've started with paint, interior paint. And if you look up, you can see that the ceiling grids are in the insulation to start installing our drop ceiling. We have door frames, light switches, outlets, emergency lights, and a beautiful orange color for our accent wall in the game room. Here in our activity room, we have our blue accent wall and our ceiling grid and an exit sign out to the playground. And this is in our kitchen cooking room, and this is our barn red accent wall. And the girls have helped me pick a color for our millwork that's going to match our beautiful accent wall. Hopefully you've noticed from the road, but our exterior has finally been painted and the stonework is coming soon. And we're finally making some progress on our parking lot. And so they've got this part finished and then they're moving on to the front. So we're getting close and we are really excited, and we will keep you posted on all the exciting things to come at the ranch.